Hello again, everybody. So now that we know what a positive and a negative correlation is, now we can find out how to draw the line of best fit, and we're going to use that then to make predictions about what's going to happen in the future. So what I'd like to do is go back to that practice worksheet A, and you'll see there's some directions here. For ones like number 13 and 14, it says, make a scatter plot of the data. This is what you'll be doing for homework. Then it says, draw a line of fit, write an equation for the line. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this data here. I'm going to minimize this over here. And we're going to go over to DESMOS.com. So if you go to DESMOS.com and click on Start Graphing, and over here there's a plus sign. When you hit a plus sign, you can add a table. So we're going to add a table so we can type in the data that we have right there. And that data is, where did my thing go? There it is. My bad. Okay, so the data is 0, 2, 1, 3.5, 1, 2.5, 0, enter, oops, 0, 2, 1, let's see, tab, 3.5. So if you hit the tab button, it goes over to the Y. And if you hit enter, it goes down to the next one. This is going to be a pain. Back to here again. 1, 3.5, 1, 2.5, 2, 3.5, 1, 2.5. And what did I say? 2, 3.5. All right, let's go to the next one. So you're going to type your points in here. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 5. Oh, that's easy to remember. 4, 4. Now, if you look over here, you can see that it's starting to generate that scatter plot. 5, 5, 5, 5, and then 6, 5. All right, so here's our scatter plot. Now we want to draw the line of best fit. So what would the line of best fit look like? Well, I believe that DESMOS has a way of doing that. Okay, so to find the line of best fit, we're going to click on this number 2 over here beneath our table. When you do that, you'll see it opens up a new box, and we're going to type in the following: Y1, and then we're going to put this little squiggle line, which should be next to the number 1 key on your Chromebook, but you have to hit the shift button to get it. So you see that squiggle line right there? If you hit shift and then next to the number 1, at least that's where it is on my keyboard. You're going to have to find it on your keyboard. And after you do that, you're going to hit the letter M and then X1. And then we're going to do plus B. So this is what you want to type into the box: Y1, squiggle line, M, X1 plus B. And you'll see it threw the line right in there. And that line goes right down the middle of that data. So that line is the line that represents the data. Okay? Now, you can't see it here because my thing's in the way here, but I can move that up. So you can see it says parameters. M is equal to 0.470455. That would be the slope, right? And that's about 1/2. 0.47 is about 1/2. So that means every time this graph goes up 1 box, it goes right 1 box. Up 1 box, right 1 box. Up 1 box, right 2 boxes. Up 1 box, right 2 boxes. Up 1 box, right 2 boxes. So that's what it kind of looks like it's doing there. And here is the y-intercept, 0.236. So you can see right here it passes through. This is going by halves. So 2, 2.5, 3, 3.54. So it looks like it's going through 2.3. Okay, right there actually. You can see if I just put a dot there so you can see it's there. I think I could take it away. Can I take that away? I guess not. Anyway, so that is the y-intercept. So that's how you graph that. So now if I go back to another example, let me clear these out. And let's do one more. So let me go to practice A again. So I'm going to type in this data. I had it up there. I don't know why I did that. All right, so -2, -0.5. So I skipped a little bit and I typed in the data. I didn't want you to sit there while I typed in all the data. I pressed the plus sign again. I got my table. I typed in all of the data for that problem. And the problem I'm talking about is number 14 on this worksheet here. So I typed in all of that data there, number 14. And it made this series of points. We can see this has a negative correlation. So now how do I find out what the line of best fit is? Click on the box, type in my Y1, squiggle line, MX1, and then plus B. And there is your line of best fit. There is the y-intercept, and the slope is negative 0.1865685. So that would be what you would put right here. If you were writing the equation of this line, so actually I'll do that underneath here. If you were writing the equation of this line, it would be y equals, and then you would put in negative 0.186585, and then you would put plus, not plus because it's minus, minus 1.00122, and hit enter, and there's the line right there, which is the same as that one. Of course, I'm missing the letter X, which is why it's a horizontal line. Duh. There we go. So you can see my red line now is exactly where the blue line was. If I turn that off, yep, see? So there it is. All right, everybody. So you're going to have practice B for homework. You should use DESMOS to do your line of best fit using these examples. And for the correlation, you're just going to find out. So here's the practice B. So you're going to just find out whether or not it has a correlation or not. Okay? And then you're going to make the scatter plot, draw the line of best fit for numbers 4 through, you could even do the word problems then. So we can do 1 through 11 here. All right? Everybody have a good day and have a nice weekend. Please make sure that you submit the worksheet, at least in your note. You can actually write the equation line in your notebook if you want to, whatever you want to do. All right. I just appreciate that you've been doing your work and making the best of a bad situation here. I'm going to continue to try and give you great content. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Today I'm going to have a help session for my Algebra 1 class at 1 p.m. on Zoom meetings. I'm going to send the link. You have to download the app. You can either do it on your personal device, your tablet, laptop, or mobile device. You can't do it on your Chromebook. So download the Zoom app, click on the link, and you can ask me any questions you have. Or if you just want to say hi. I miss you guys, so it would be good to see your faces and to say hello and see that you're all doing well. It'll also give you a chance to talk to each other. So I hope to see you at 1 p.m. Thanks and have a good day.